With MediaStream On Demand, you're the one in control. Decide what you want to watch and when you want to watch it. MediaStream On Demand provides access to hundreds of hours of free content anytime you want to watch it, plus access to a wide selection of blockbuster movies. Accessing MediaStream On Demand. There are 5 possible ways to access MediaStream On Demand. All the options work well, so just find the one that's the most convenient for you. 1. Use the numbers on your remote to turn to Channel 1. 2. Press the VOD or On Demand button on your remote. Note that some remotes may not have this function. 3. Press the menu button and choose the On Demand icon from the Quick Access menu. 4. Press the menu button twice and choose the On Demand icon from the main menu. 5. Press the Guide button and scroll to Channel 1 and press the OK Select button. Making selections. After you've accessed MediaStream On Demand, choose what kind of programming you'd like to watch. MediaStream offers hundreds of hours of free content each month. The free content features network content from networks such as PBS Kids Sprout, Versus, and E! Entertainment, plus exercise videos, games, and much more. For free programming, choose a category that you're interested in from the main menu and then choose a subcategory from the options. Browse through the available selections and click on the movie or program you'd like to watch. Select the Watch icon and your selection will start from the program's beginning. MediaStream also offers a wide selection of Movies on Demand. Movies on Demand features blockbuster movie titles available from the convenience of your home. MediaStream offers many Movies on Demand on the same day as their DVD release. With Movies on Demand, you purchase a title and have full access to the movie for at least 24 hours. During this time, you may pause, fast forward, and rewind using your remote. You may watch your movie title as many times as you would like during the rental period. Plus, with Movies on Demand, you won't ever have to worry about paying another movie store late fee. Late fees and driving across town to return a movie are things of the past. To order a movie, select Movies from the main menu and choose a category from the movie menu. Browse through the selections and choose the movie you wish to watch. Select the Buy option and your movie will start at the beginning. To access your movie rentals during the rental period, go to the main menu and press the Page Down button on your remote. Choose the subcategory from the menu and then select the movie or program you'd like to watch. Select either the Resume Watching icon or Restart from the Beginning icon. Controls. The fast forward, rewind, pause, and stop buttons are available on your remote to navigate through any on-demand program. If you'd like to back out of your selection, just press the Last button. And if you wish to watch regular programming at any time, just push the Exit button. Now you're ready to access the world of MediaStream On Demand. If you have additional questions about MediaStream On Demand, please visit the Frequently Asked Questions section of our website at www.mediastreamga.com. You can also access the On Demand section of the website for a list of movies currently available through Movies on Demand. So sit back, enjoy, and make tonight a movie night. Thank you for choosing MediaStream, and remember, we are here for you 24/7 with round-the-clock local technical support. Call us anytime of the day or night at 283-2332.